before anything else, let me ground you in one truth. God is closer than the problem in front of you. There are moments in life when you wonder if God notices what you're walking through, the pressure, confusion, the things people say or do around you. But Scripture makes one thing unmistakably clear, and that is that God sees you. Psalms 139 says that He knows your thoughts, your tears, your worries, and your effort. Nothing in life is overlooked. Nothing you carry is hidden from Him. And not only does He see you, He hears you. Every quiet prayer, every Lord, please help me, everything that has ever made it out of your mouth, God hears it. 1 John 5:14 says that He listens when you call. You don't have to perform. You don't have to pretend. You don't need the perfect words. He hears you because you belong to Him. And through every season, the good, the messy, the uncertain, the bad, God is with you. Deuteronomy 31:6 says that He will never leave you. Even when you're feeling overwhelmed, even when people disappoint you, even when life is unpredictable, His presence stays steady when everything else feels like it's falling apart. And God knows what you need before you can even realize it yourself. Matthew 6:8 says that He sees ahead, He prepares ahead, and He provides ahead. You don't need to solve everything today. You don't need to carry all of the weight on your own strength, because God is already working in those places that you can't see, that you can't hear. And this one is really important. God will defend you. This one's for the people in the back. He sees the people who plot against you. He sees the ones that twist things, that speak falsely, that operate out of jealousy or fear. And He sees those that push out ideas that are not biblical, ideas that sound harsh, unforgiving, self-centered. That is not the heart of Jesus. From Genesis to Malachi, God shows the same pattern again and again and again. And that is that even when His people mess up, He forgives them. He loves them. When they turn away, He brings them back. They fall, He lifts them up. His character does not shift. He is patient. He is compassionate. He is generous. And when the enemies rise up, when people act in ways that are unfair or harmful, God will step in. Exodus 14:14 says that the Lord will fight for you. You only need to be still. God didn't ask you to carry that role. He took it on Himself. So today, I want you to hold on to this. God sees you. He hears you. He's with you. He defends you. And He is going to give you the same faithful, steady love that He has shown His people for thousands of years. You are not forgotten. You're not unprotected. You are not alone. You have the Lord of Lords, the King of Kings, right there with you, fully, completely, and always. And until next time, friend, I want you to know that you are unconditionally loved. Until next time, love you. Bye.